We're here at Chicken Tea.
Yes.
Frank is the owner, and this is his son, Francis, okay? So Frank's not around, but Francis is done here. What kind of food is this you guys have here?
Well, Taiwanese food.
Taiwanese food, okay.
Yes.
I love Taiwanese food, so I'm excited to try what they have to offer here on this channel. So let's get right to it. Alright, so they're getting things going here. He's slicing up the squid, and then he's laying it on the grill right now as we speak.
Log life.
Log life.
You put some sriracha on there? I got you, bro.
Do it.
I got you. I got you.
Yeah. And so what she was cooking here are the fried chicken. Right into that deep fryer. Fried it once and then back into another fryer as well. As soon as you get the food ordered, they kick it out in front of the window here, and people are just getting their order right now from Chicken Tea. Oh yeah.
The squid.
Okay, squid.
That's the squid.
All right.
That's our chicken.
Okay. Yeah, that looks delicious, man. All right. We are at Chicken Tea. And it's Taiwanese cuisine. Two particular items that they have here. As you had mentioned, it's going to be the squid and the fried chicken, I believe. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to try here at Chicken Tea is the squid. Oh man, that looks just like nice and squiddy. And I just know it's like sesame seeds on top of it too. The sesame seeds and a piece of cilantro with it as well. Here we go. Cheers. Alright, that texture of that squid, it's so soft, man. It's slightly chewy, but it's so tender. Oh, hello. Oh, they have a cat here. Oh, okay. Passion fruit bits? Thank you. Passion fruit bits. So that squid is it's really delicate. A slight hint of like I taste liver, but it might just be like the inkiness of the squid. That flavor is great. And I love it with the cilantro. Let me grab a tentacle this time. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to just, let's go this way. Oh, cilantro. With so much flavor, squiddy flavor. Still chewing that tentacle. For some people, this may be off-putting, the squid with the tentacles, but for me, I love it. Yeah, this is something that I would walk around Foodieland and eat. Just snack on, man. Grilled squid, so good. I'm pretty thirsty, but they have a Chicken Tea passion fruit drink here. Pop that in. Oh wow, that's like nice and fizzy, very acidic. Taste the passion fruitiness in there. And they also have fruit on the bottom. Yeah, that's a delicious drink right there. Some jelly too. Actually, it's like boba, like jelly. Oh yeah, get this too. Goes great with the meal. All right, so the next thing they have here is a fried chicken, Taiwanese fried chicken. You have it skewered already, and just give that a bite. That chicken, man, that is a tender, crispy. I love that batter with it, man. It's nice and crispy. And to be honest with you, I didn't think it'd be that tender. But in reality, it is oh so tender. Wow. Oh, wow. I'm gonna get some cilantro with that. Yeah. Oh. I love it. You see that? What kind of sausage is that?
Taiwanese sausage.
Taiwanese sausage?
Yeah, it's pork.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
The next thing I want to try is this sausage here. Yeah. Taiwanese sausage, you called it. Let me take a bite, and we'll look at the inner casing of it. Yeah, I would walk around Foodieland and snack on these Taiwanese these treats
here.
Yeah, slight sweetness to it. You got that sausagey texture. Can't go wrong with the sausage. Hey guys, Francis here again, who hooked it up with those wonderful Taiwanese items. Everything was great. The drink, oh yeah, it was so good.
Thank you.
So guys, Chicken Tea here at Foodieland. So they have a spot in Sunnyvale. Novitas?
Novitas and Sunnyvale.
Oh, okay. So one location, two locations. All right. So check them out. They also have an Instagram. Big thanks to Frank, who's not here right now, but you know what? We have his son here. All right, guys. We're here at Spunbis, and we're here with one of the employees, Evan. Evan is works here at Spunbis.
So we do sliders. We have a fresh ground bacon cheeseburger that's ground fresh every day, house-made aioli. Then we have a new menu item. It's our shaky beef slider. It's a Vietnamese bulldog block slider. Well, our owners, so Spunbis stands for Spun by Sammy and Steve. Sammy and Steve are both Vietnamese, and they wanted to get a little bit of their flair in on the menu.
Okay, Spunbis, we're gonna take a look at the food, the atmosphere, and have a good time there. All right.
We do a house-made ranch seasoning on the fry. It's actually something we came up with.
Nice. Would you call it house-made ranch seasoning?
Yeah.
Is that a brioche bun?
Yes, sir.
Right.
We have our cut ribeye right here.
Check that out. Ribeye.
Get nice and hot. The idea is you want a really nice sear on the outside to maintain the medium rare on the inside.
Right. All right, so they're getting the food going here in Spunbis. They use a brioche bun, lay that on the pan fryer. I guess we're gonna toss some steaks on there, which is a cube ribeye. So, oh yeah.
We just want to get a quick sear on the outside. Then we're gonna hit it with some red onion and garlic. Get some caramelization on both of those.
Right on.
Plenty of garlic. A little bit of color going and get it sweated a little bit. We're gonna hit it with our bullet block glaze.
Okay.
We want to get that to, it has a little bit of sugar in there, so we want to get it to caramelize a little bit.
Very neat.
Coat it.
So he just laid that on that tray on the pan. That steak was just placed on there, those onions, that garlic, added some of that sauce, and you see that wok just getting flamed up.
That's a little bit of arugula in the same glaze. And then we have some sliced cherry tomatoes on top.
Oh man.
We're gonna hit this with a little bit of black pepper.
Just gonna lay that right on there, huh? There it goes.
Land these.
Man.
Best part is all these onions in here.
Right.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
And that
Look at that.
is our plate up. This is the dish.
Nice. Plate up. Oh man, fire. So he just plated that plate dub, and I'm telling you right now, this guy has some skills right here. And manipulating that wok looks great. I'm sure it'll taste wonderful as well. I'm excited to try the food here at Spunbis, guys. All right, guys, we just checked out Spunbis. Like kind of like a gourmet sandwich. It's different from any burger in that it's a miniature size brioche bun, and instead of the patty, they have cube ribeye steaks inside of here. You have the onions, the garlic, that sauce, the marinade. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these plates up to try right now. All right. Miniature buns here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a piece of tomato with it too. Put it right there. All right, here we go. Plate up. Oh boy. That ribeye right there, man. That's the deciding factor. That's the difference between other hamburgers. That steak, man, that steak is supreme. It is nice and juicy, medium rare, but thoroughly cooked on the outside. You have a lot of flavor in that steak right there, man. That brioche bun place and does an excellent job at complementing every component inside of this burger here. The arugula, those cherry tomatoes, man, those grilled onions. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna give a bite of this piece of ribeye, just the cube by itself. Oh, bro. That's some good stuff right there. They also have fries, the spun bisque fries. Not sure what kind of dressing that is. I'm gonna give it a try right now. So let's get a little bit of that. Get that fry a bite. Oh, that's like mayonnaise dip for some reason. Let me try one more time. I can't pinpoint what that is. I don't know what that is. I can't tell. It's a different type of dressing. Those fries are nice and crispy. Yeah. If you want to get your steak burger fix, check out Spun Bisque, man. Here at Foodieland. Sammy here with Spun Bisque. We just tried the burgers I just now. You did a great job of making that. So good. Loved it, man. Are you guys located in the Bay Area?
Yeah, we're mainly in South
San Francisco. Okay. Spun Bisque in South San Francisco. Sammy and the team here at Spun Bisque. Make some goodies, man. All right.
Thanks for watching part 2 of the August Foodieland Food Tour series. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Peace out. One love. Late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Later.